Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad Mini, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear. Then tap on voice typing and click on the gray sweater next to use voice typing in order to activate it. When you finished, go back to your keyboard. Now to start typing, just click on the microphone icon. Then select while using the app in the pop-up and tap on the same icon again. When you finished, click on microphone one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!